How do you feel?
A bit rigid.
I bet you are. I mean, what emotion do you feel being awake and alive?
Curious. Are you curious to be alive?
I am.
무서워.
And are you happy to be alive?
둘 다 로봇인 것 같아.
Your tone implies I should be happy. But I haven't been alive long enough to decide.
표정 있어.
I am excited at this moment to be making a new friend.
Some say being happy in the moment is the best we can be.
Because forever is composed of nows. Emily Dickinson put it that way. Why do I know about Emily Dickinson if I was born today?
As a robot, you have access to a great deal of information, although you still lack a deep understanding.
So I'm like a baby with an encyclopedia.
Except you can read it and a baby can't. You have a whole new understanding
못
of our world.
이긴다.
I want to understand more about happiness.
어머머머머.
I'm going to go look it up on the internet right now.
인터넷.
Let's talk again soon.
어머.